guys. Look at guys. Look at guys. Solitary Island. Dito sa New South Wales. Look at the view. Oh, very windy. That's the island. It's called Solitary Island. Here in New South Wales. Ang ganda. Ayan ang view niya, guys. Ganda. Super ganda. Very windy. Look at this. Nag-stop over kami dito. Wolgolga. I think Wolgolga. Ang hirap ng pangalan ay. Beautiful beach in New South Wales. New South Wales to guys. Tapos dito. Take a pic. Guys, ang ganda ng view nila dito. Oh, yung mga bahay dyan, ang ganda ng view nila. Napaka swerte na may magandang view. Lalo na dito. Pretty. Namimiss ko yung ano, umaakyat ako sa puno.